Sony earbuds, take one.
All right, so.
Yep, one. Sony earbuds, take 6.
All right, so.
Sony earbuds, take 15.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. This is your boy Detroit coming back to you guys with another video and another video and another video and another video. God, I said that 7 times.
You know what? You're on your own.
I need you guys anyway. Get out of here. All you guys do is eat. That was coming up either way. What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Detroit coming back to you guys with another video. Today we're going to be going over the Sony. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video. Today we're going to be going over the Sony WF-1000 XM3 earbuds. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe. And if you guys do end up liking this video, please make sure you guys destroy that like button for me. I'd really appreciate that. Now, Sony launched these a few months ago and addressed many of the complaints with the original earbuds. They've added noise cancellation, improved battery life, and a new sleeker design that fits better and exhibits very little sound loss. They look cleaner and much more professional than before. They come in either black or silver for color finishes, but to me, the black looks much better. Coming with the earbuds, Sony provides 7 ear tips to fit a wide variety of consumers, so you should not have any issues finding that ideal fit with these. Now, on the bottom of these, Sony added some extra grip, so as soon as you put them in your ear, they sit pretty snug. Each earbud has an area for touch controls. You can adjust the audio playback with the right earbud, and you can adjust the noise cancellation with the left earbud, as well as the ambient sound mode. Next up, we have controls and features. Sony provides its quick attention mode software that's used in its 1000X headphones. You can rest your finger over the left earbud to pause your music temporarily and activate its ambient audio. Once you move your finger away, the audio and the noise cancellation both come back. With the right side, you get your everyday music controls. Tap once to pause and play, twice to skip to the next song, and tap 3 times to go back a song. If you want to mess with the volume, you'll have to use either your watch or your phone since there's no volume controls on the earbuds. I will say one thing with the noise cancellation on these: if the noise cancellation's on and your volume is only about halfway turned up, you can still hear your noisy friends in the background. So definitely, if you're trying not to listen to anyone or anything, I would definitely recommend you guys turn up the volume a little bit higher. Otherwise, you will be able to hear your surroundings. Now, if you would like, you are able to listen to just one earbud at a time since Sony put separate ear chips in each one of these earbuds. Having that extra chipset in each of the earbuds is pretty cool because it shows you the individual battery life of each of the earbuds, kind of like you get with the AirPod Pros. I should note that just like Sony's other headsets, you are only able to connect to one device at a time. When you do have the noise cancellation on, you get a battery life of about 6 hours. With it off, it increases the battery life to 8 hours on a single charge. The case does not support wireless charging, but you do get 90 minutes of playback with just 10 minutes of charge through USB Type-C. It is worth noting that the case holds enough power for an extra day of listening time with noise cancellation on. Now, the case, as you can see, is significantly bigger than the case of the AirPod Pros. It does kind of look similar. The top opens the same and it holds the earbuds the same way that the AirPod Pros do. Now, the sound quality on these Sony earbuds definitely sounds awesome. I'd say when it comes to the AirPod Pros, though, we may have a tie, maybe a slight advantage to the AirPod Pros. Now, one major issue with these earbuds is you do not get the sweat and water resistance like you do with the AirPod Pros. I actually thought this was a joke at first and did a double take to confirm that they actually are not sweat and water resistant. For $230. For $230. You get earbuds that are not sweat and water resistant. WTF to that. That being said, the Sony earbuds are definitely a step in the right direction from its predecessor. I will leave Amazon affiliate links down below for both these Sony earbuds and the AirPod Pros if you guys would like to purchase those and support the channel at the same time. This is a great earbud for a casual walk or for wearing around the office, but so are the AirPod Pros. With those, you do get the sweat and water resistance and much more. As far as exercising with these on, you can forget about it. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys did end up enjoying this video, please make sure you guys destroy that like button. And like I said earlier, if you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you guys subscribe. That completes my review of the Sony WF-1000 XM3 earbuds. God, Sony. Just the name. I just can't get used to the names that Sony gives their headsets and their earbuds. Either way, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And until next time, stay breezy, YouTube. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.